Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the garden. Today, we're going to show you how to detox your armpits. Let's go. So the first step in creating your detox mask for your armpits are going to be choosing which clay do you actually want to use. Bentonite clay, great for everything. You can put it in your hair, you can put it on your body. This is the overall thing that's going to help pull out those toxins, help clear your pores out. This is one of the most powerful clays that are known. But I like to mix this bentonite clay, I like to mix it with kaolin clay, which is mineralizing. And then I also like to mix it with activated charcoal, and that creates our DIY charcoal mineral face mask. So even though it's a mineral face mask, you still can use it on your entire body, your hair, your body, your face, wherever. So let's make a mask out of this because we want the charcoal particles inside of that to be pulling out. This is what it's going to look like when we're done, okay? That's going to be our end result. So let's put this to the side and let's start making a mask. Put about 3 scoops into here. I like to do heaping scoops, very large heaping scoops. And now you can figure out which one you want to use. Do you want to use water, apple cider vinegar? Do you want to use essential oils? You can use anything you want to use. If you do decide to use the apple cider vinegar, make sure you're using the one that has the mother already in it. So I like to just use water. So you put in that amount. And now you start to stir it. So as you can see, I'm stirring it, but it's not enough water. So what do? You add a little bit more. Add a little bit more water so that you can get the correct consistency that you're trying to obtain. And when you're doing this, make sure when you mix it, you're using plastic containers, you're using plastic spoons because you will deionize the powerful bentonite clay, okay? Metal will deionize it, so do not use metal when mixing any type of clay. All right, so it looks like we have about the same consistency a little bit, and this is good enough to start detoxing our pits. Time to start putting it on your armpits. So all you're gonna do is take your clay that you just created and you're going to apply it on your armpits. I don't have a mirror, so just bear with me. It's going to take about 15 minutes for this to dry on my armpits. And once it does dry, it will look like this. Not too close, Jordan. Oh, all right. So while we're letting our pits detox, I want to point something out. The reason why we're doing this is so that we can apply the natural deodorants. We sell 2 different types of deodorants. We sell a charcoal deodorant. We also sell a non-charcoal variation of those deodorants. So when you're using Old Spice, when you're using Secret, when you're using all these different types of antiperspirants that are going in and clogging up your pores, the reason is you have to detox your armpits. This is what you need. You need to pull out all of that stuff that's been, the antiperspirant that's been plugging up your pores. You need to pull that out. You need to cleanse your pores. You need to deep cleanse your pores. In order to do that, only thing that's going to work are going to be clays. Natural clays are powerful enough to get into your pores and pull everything out and trap toxins and bacteria actually inside of the charcoal particle. Inside of the bentonite clay actually attracts different types of ions that are impacting your body, and you can pull those out. So here's the thing. So now that I've almost finished detoxing my armpits, I'm prepped and I'm ready to start using our natural deodorants. Stay tuned. All right, so now it's time to apply the deodorant on your skin. I choose which deodorant I want. We have charcoal, we have non-charcoal. I like to use the non-charcoal one just because, but you know, whatever floats your boat. In order to start it off, when you first start using our products, our natural deodorants, you want to make sure that you rub it a little bit just to give it heat because it is made out of natural oils and also beeswax. Beeswax is going to harden. You just don't want to automatically start doing this because it's not going to work properly. So here's how I apply the deodorant once I'm fully detoxed, all right? I apply it in a downward motion, downward, gentle. I'm barely putting any pressure on it, just a downward motion until I feel like I have enough, okay? All right? Now, ooh, a little bit too much. Thanks for letting me know, Jordan. It's too much, but you know what? It's a good learning point. If you put too much on, you kind of just clean it up a little bit. and you rub it in the same downward motion until it disappears. All right, so then you're going to continue to get ready in the morning, and once you get ready in the morning, at the end of getting ready, you take a look again, you just get those, you see little white lines of your deodorant, you just kind of just do that, and now you're ready to go. You're ready to hit the day. But step one was detoxing. Remember, be sure to use our DIY or our bentonite clay to do your detox of your pits. Other than that, remember, just add 3 scoops, stir with water, apply it to your armpits, let it dry for about 15 minutes, wash it off. Make sure you use natural plant-based soap to cleanse your body. Then you use a deodorant. Voila. That's how you detox your armpits, everyone. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you leave them down below. Thank you.